welcome back. It's time for sports.
The West Indies have won 5 straight T20 games for the first time in more than 18 months after taking a 1-0 lead in their 5-match T20 International Series against New Zealand following their 7-run win in Auckland this morning. Led by 53 from captain Shea Hope, the Windies batting first posted 164 for 6. Jamaican Rovman Powell also got 33 from 23 deliveries, while Ross and Chase made 28. Jacob Duffy and Zach Folks had 2 wickets each. Now, in response, the hosts were restricted to 157 for 9, despite captain Mitchell Santner making a fighting 55 not out from 28 balls, batting at number 8. Opener Tim Robbins was the next best with 27. Player of the game, Ross and Chase, returned to claim 3 for 26, while Jaden Seals had 3 for 32. Assistant coach Ravi Rampal was pleased with how the team adjusted to conditions.
Yeah, definitely. We always talk about when we go to countries to play to adapt quickly to the conditions. We had the one training session and we planned around what we had there, and the analysts as well give us the stats on the ground. So we went based on the stats and our execution.
The next game will be played on Thursday morning Jamaica time starting at 1:30. After registering a comprehensive 5-1 win in the first leg semi-final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup in Trinidad on October 22, complacency is not an option for Mount Pleasant FA as they take on Defence Force at the National Stadium today. Despite the 4-goal cushion heading into the game, head coach of Mount Pleasant, Theodore Whitmore, while indicating that changes could be made to the starting 11, said the approach will still be a positive one. Meanwhile, it will take a Herculean effort for Defence Force to overturn the 4-goal deficit. However, they are not coming to Jamaica for sightseeing, as there is still business to be done. The game is being used as a donation drive where persons can donate essential items in aid of persons significantly impacted by Hurricane Melissa. Admission is free, but persons are encouraged to donate $1,000 to help in purchasing supplies for those in need. The game is set to kick off at 6 p.m. Finally, the world's oldest Olympian has died at the age of 101. French icon Charles Coste won Olympic gold in 1948 at the London Games in cycling, winning in the team pursuit. Coste became the oldest living Olympic champion in January after the death of Hungarian gymnast Agnes Keleti. Coste was well remembered in France as he was involved in the opening ceremony for last year's Paris Olympics. And that's it.
Thank you, Renardo. And that's Midday News. I'm Shamila Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.